running, Emma! You are almost at the final finish line. Keep going!
I have to win this race for my whole team today. No stopping!
Oh no! My stomach hurts so badly right now, but I must endure. Emma! Stop running right now! Something is definitely wrong with you! I am fine, Lily. Do not worry. I can finish this race easily. Watch out! Emma just fell hard onto the track ground. Somebody help! Oh my goodness! Look at her! She is completely motionless on the ground!
Everyone stay back right now! Clear the track lane immediately for safety!
Emma! Sweetie! Hang on! Mommy is coming to you right now! Emma, please wake up. What happened to my big sister today? My legs feel so heavy and frozen. I just wanted to finish.
Stay still, Emma. Do not try to move your body. Help is here.
Breathe slowly, darling. Mommy is right here holding your hands tightly now.
Let me check her temperature and vital signs immediately. Give her fresh air.
Emma, can you hear my voice clearly? Tell me how you feel. I feel very dizzy and cold. Everything around me is spinning rapidly.
Lift carefully on 3. Let us move her to the cool clinic room.
Hang in there, Emma. You're gonna be okay.
Rest your head comfortably on the pillow, and you are safe here now. Her blood pressure is quite low, and her blood sugar has dropped.
Did Emma eat a proper, balanced breakfast before coming to school today?
Wait, she said she was not hungry because she was very nervous. I am too anxious about the big race and I cannot eat anything. I do not need food. Adrenaline will give me enough energy today. Running intense sprint races on an empty stomach causes sudden energy crashes. I skipped breakfast because I thought lighter stomach meant running much faster.
Your body is like an engine, Emma. It needs fuel to operate properly.
Sip this sweet drink slowly. It will help you regain your strength. Thank you, Lily. The cold juice actually makes my dizziness feel better. I brought your favorite teddy bear, Emma. Please do not be sick. I am so sorry, Leo. I ruined our family's exciting sports day. You did not ruin anything, honey, and your health is our only priority. My whole relay team lost their chance to win because of me. Nobody blames you, Emma. We only care about your health and recovery.
Listen closely, Emma. Brave athletes must learn to listen to their bodies. Proper nutrition and hydration are the real secrets behind true athletic stamina.
I never realized that skipping one meal could hurt my body so quickly. Try eating this warm oatmeal now, and it provides steady, slow-releasing energy.
This tastes so warm and sweet, and my stomach does not hurt anymore.
Look at you. Your bright smile and energy are already coming back.
Take slow steps, and your legs are much stronger now than this morning.
I can walk on my own now, and thank you everyone for helping.
Home sweet home, time to rest well and build my healthy routine.
Rule number 1, never skip breakfast before any sports practice again. Good morning, world! And I am going to make a great breakfast today. Let us slice juicy strawberries, sweet bananas, and rich, creamy avocado slices.
Protein and whole grains will give you strong muscles and lasting power.
This breakfast is super delicious, and I feel powerful and ready for school.
Good morning, Lily! Look how much energy I have got this morning.
You look so energetic, Emma. What made such a wonderful positive difference?
Class, we are launching the Healthy Morning Challenge starting from this week. Every student who eats healthy breakfast and drinks water earns gold stars.
Coach Ryan, I want to lead our class challenge and help everybody.
That is the spirit, Emma. Lead by example and inspire your peers.
Day 1 completed with oatmeal and fruit, star number 1 earned. Look at our colorful vegetables, crunchy carrots, and fresh grilled chicken sandwiches. Big Sister taught me that apples make my muscles strong like dinosaurs.
Stretch your arms high, rotate your ankles, and warm up your joints.
Warming up properly prevents sports injuries and prepares my muscles for running.
Pace yourselves smoothly. And remember, endurance is built through steady, consistent practice.
I feel so light and comfortable, and my breath is completely under control. Staying hydrated keeps my brain alert and stops muscle cramps from happening.
Our whole class has collected over 200 gold stars this month.
Next Friday is our championship rematch. Get ready for an amazing day.
This time I will run smart, nourished, and fully prepared to win.
Let us buy rolled oats, Greek yogurt, fresh berries, and raw nuts.
Healthy food is fuel. Learning this made me a much stronger runner. Clothes ready, water bottle filled. Tomorrow morning will be completely different.
Waking up early gives me plenty of time to digest food comfortably. Deep, restful sleep allows tired muscles to rebuild and grow much stronger.
Rise and shine. Today is the big championship rematch sports day. Blending yogurt with bananas and blueberries creates the ultimate pre-race energy. 2 hours before race time, perfect window for optimum energy digestion.
You are my superhero, Emma. Run like the wind today. Thank you, little brother. I will do my best and stay safe.
Welcome everyone to the Grand Championship rematch. of our annual sports festival.
Remember our golden rule: respect your body, run smart, and have fun.
My shoes are tied tight. My mind is calm and completely focused.
We trained hard together with healthy habits. Let us give our all.
Go, Emma! Go, Team Yellow! We believe in you with all our hearts. Runners to your marks. Get set in your designated running lanes now.
Take a deep breath. Listen to your heartbeat. Trust your body fuel.
Ready, set, let the Grand Championship race begin right now.
And they are off, sprinting with incredible speed down the straight track.
Her stride is smooth and balanced. What an amazing start from Emma.
I feel strong, no stomach pain, just pure, endless energy inside me. Look at her speed! Emma is running like a true flying champion!
Her pace is perfectly calculated, and she is pacing her energy with perfection.
Emma takes the lead around the final bend with 50 meters left.
Faster, Emma! You are winning the big race! Go, go, go!
And I did it. I finished the entire race feeling strong and healthy.
You won first place, Emma! You ran the most beautiful race ever!
You proved that nourishing your body creates true, unstoppable athletic excellence today.
We are so proud of your wisdom, bravery, and healthy spirit, darling.
You are the fastest and healthiest big sister in the whole world.
Please give a thunderous round of applause to all our dedicated runners.
Step onto the champion podium, Emma. You truly earned this prestigious award.
Real champions listen to their bodies and fuel themselves with healthy food.
Come up here, everyone. Healthy teamwork and good habits belong to us all.
Yay! 3 cheers for healthy breakfast, strong bodies, and our incredible champion, Emma.
You turned a tough lesson into an inspiring victory for our whole school.
Always remember to fuel your dreams with healthy food, water, and rest. Stay healthy, listen to your body, and you will achieve your dreams.